Yes, unmute your videos. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Everyone had lunch?
What, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You had
ma'am.
lunch?
Not your voice, ma'am. You had,
Okay.
ma'am?
What? Yes, what we have discussed in the last class.
Psychometric
We have finished the
method.
Ma'am,
personality.
sociometric and projective method. Sociometric.
Projective and psychometric.
Psychometric method.
Ma'am, sociometric.
And that I forgot to ask you. Did you see the pictures which I have sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, black and white.
हाँ, उस फोटो में समझ में आया कौन सा क्या था? No.
No, ma'am.
I was knowing you people will not be knowing it by examples also you will not be knowing. What was the first picture? What was the first thing we have discussed? Rosters test. Yes, the Rosters test is the two persons with the photo with the two persons. Can if you have you can open and see. Those two was the for the examples of roster test, and for that one the children, the photo with the image with the children's, which I've sent you the 3 photos of cat, and next last 2 was the for cat one. Sorry, cat is for children's and cat was like the images. Let me share the screen if not. Someone open the pictures now so that I can tell you. जो फर्स्ट 2 images थे जो ink से बनाया हुआ था like butterfly something and all they have made, right? 2 pictures was there. First 2 that was the roster test, next 3 was for the cat and last 2 was for the cat. How many pictures I have shared?
7, ma'am.
6 page, ma'am.
Open and see. No, still having doubt.
Ma'am, 7.
7
7, ma'am.
starting two was the roster test, that by putting the ink there are plenty of pictures in one card. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Like butterfly, kuch na kuch there. That is nothing but roster test. Through the ink they have made that first 2, and the next 3 is the tat test.
Butterfly.
Butterfly lag raha hai. It's type of like that. Okay, the ink has been poured like that, and the next 3 was the tat test.
Okay, ma'am.
Tat test में जो 2 image दिख रहा है, you will find out the relationship of a 2 person what they are doing. That is nothing but the tat test I said, right? And the cat one is
Yes,
the image with the children's, the cartoon things. You have seen that. Last 2 is the cat one.
Yes,
Got it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
उस picture के ऊपर edit and you keep. And during exam at least you will forget no again, so that you mark it and keep it. Is that clear? Next, today we'll see next unit. We have completed the personality, and the next unit is developmental psychology. What do you mean by development?
update,
Yes.
ma'am. Update.
Update. What
Development.
update?
Growth, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Development means update.
no, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
no, no.
growth of a body, developments of a body,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
changes. The changes which takes place in a body, and the psychology development is the growth which takes place in your body, and the psychology is nothing but the study of mind, right? So together, how the body according to the age, how the body should develop, how the mind should develop, what are the things we will discuss in this class. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the things what are the stages of an human being? What are the stages a human being goes through? What is the starting stage? Development ka starting stage. Soon after the baby born, what we call it as? We call it as neonate. Yes. After that neonate. Childhood. Yes. After the neonate, we
Infant.
call it as after 28 days of a birth. From 28 days to till 1 year, we call it as infant. Yes. After infant, toddler age, then preschooler, schooler, then adolescence. Okay, these are the stages where the human being goes through. Or soon after the birth, the baby will start to walk, or soon after the birth, baby will become an adult. Can it be possible? Yes. Can it be possible? No. So it has to undergo all those stages. And during the infant stage, during the toddler stage, during the childhood stage, what are the changes takes place? What are the things will develop in a child? I have sent you the characteristics. Like during infant, the baby will develop a trust versus mistrust. How that happens, and in toddler age, autonomy versus shame. How it will work out. All those things we will see in this developmental psychology. Is my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, let me share the screen. You have taken the notes of yesterday's.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Yes, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The development means the progressive of series of changes. As we discussed, there will be a series of changes in a body takes place, and the series of changes in a mind. Okay, those two things. And according to the age, the mind also should become mature. Yes, no, mind should also mature. Mind should also develop the thinking capacity. All those is nothing but the development. Okay, we have discussed about the Sigmund Freud, right? He has even said that the development of a person takes place in the first 6 years of a birth. Okay, soon after the birth till 6 years, the baby's development takes place rapidly. And even the Erickson, he also said that development will take place continuous throughout the year. This we have discussed earlier, right? He has said that Erickson have said the development takes place throughout the year. Throughout the life, the development takes place. It's not particularly in only in a 6 years, but the development takes place throughout the life, and it also will be influenced by friends, family, and society. Based on in what do you mean by influence? You will get an experience, or you will get an motivations. Okay, from family, by friends, by society, by all those things, the developments also will increase. Okay, understood? And we'll see the stages, according to the stages of person, what are the things takes place, what are the developments takes place. First, let's see the infant stage. Okay, in infant, the infant stage, as I said, from birth to till 18 months, we call it as infant. Okay, and here the infant develop a trust versus mistrust. I have sent you the characteristics, the same thing, trust versus mistrust. How it will work? The infant who comes to a new environment from a mother's womb, it only get the affection from a caregiver, all those things. With the caretaker, by mother only, the infant will get the trustworthiness. Okay, the baby at infant age only trusts the caregivers, only it will trust the mother. Okay, whoever is near to them, whoever gives the care, the baby will trust them first. Yes, no? Can you imagine, अगर तुम्हारे घर में कोई relative आया है, whether the baby will develop a trust, whether the baby will go first to them, whether it will go at first? No, it doesn't go, because it won't develop the trust in them. Okay, so that is nothing but trust. And how it develop a mistrust? When the baby will feel a rejection. Sometimes mother will scold, no, in angry. If the mother said, if scold a baby, then the baby develops the mistrustness. Is that clear? The trust versus mistrust.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the trust versus mistrust. Okay, if the infant doesn't get a proper support care from a mother, then it develop a mistrust. And when the mistrust is developed in an infant age, that personality will affect in a later age. The same personality will continue as the child grows on. The mistrust, the baby will not be able to trust anyone in a life when if it is developed in an infant age. Okay, so we have to take care of that. The trust and mistrust has to be cleared in the infant age itself. The baby should not develop those character or those personality in early stage. Okay, because the personalities continues throughout the life. Okay, after infant, next is the early childhood. Early childhood, it is from after the 18 months of a birth till 3 years. From 18 months to 3 years, we call it as early childhood, where there will be a growth development, even in a muscular, like in a growth wise, there will be development, and the nervous systems, all the development takes place at this age. Okay, and the new skills, new intellectual creativities, all these things will be developed by the child. Yes, no? By seeing cartoons, by doing diagrams, you have seen the child will be drawing something. By seeing all those things, the creativity, the skills will develop in a child. Okay, and here the baby will develop the judgmental things. Okay, the autonomy versus shame will be applicable in the early childhood. Okay, this early childhood is also known as toddlerhood. Is that clear? If you don't understand, you just tell me so that I can repeat. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The child, the in infant, we have seen the child will develop the personality of trust versus mistrust. Whereas in early childhood, the child will develop autonomy versus shame or doubt. Okay, how it will work out? See, the child needs guidance in the crisis of autonomy versus doubt faced during this period. Okay, in extreme premises of environment, the child encounters difficulty that is cannot be handled. When the child will be in any difficult situation, if the child doesn't handle, if it is not able to handle, then what happens? The baby will feel shame. Okay, yes, no? While the baby will start doing walking or baby will start doing some activities, if you tell something, the baby will feel shy. Have you observed that in a children's?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
when during the childhood, you should not make a child to be a shameful one. Okay, whenever it starts, if whether the child will be dancing or whether the baby will be trying to laugh or whether it will be trying to walk or anything, whenever it starts doing, you should not discourage. You should encourage it so that the baby will not feel shameless. Okay. If that personality develops in a toddlerhood, the same thing will continue throughout their life. Okay, so in a later age, the baby will feel, the child may feel we are worthless. Okay, so that you should not discourage the child at that age. Is that clear? So, and at toddler age, the same thing. You should have a constant attention. You should give a proper care for a child in order to not to develop that autonomy versus shame thing. Okay. Next is a middle childhood. We have seen early childhood, which is also known as toddlerhood. Okay, middle childhood, it is also known as preschooler. Okay, before the child goes to the school, this person will be developed in a child. The age extends from 3 to 5 years of age. The initiative versus guilt will be formed. This will be the personality of a preschooler. Initiative in the sense, the baby will be starting with a new things. Yes, no, you have seen 3 to 5 years, the baby will start doing new things. The baby will start learning the new words, and the baby will be start to draw the new diagrams, learning new letters. Yes, it will be initiative time, the starting stage of everything. The baby will try all the possibility whichever it can done. Okay, the child will be willing to do so many things. The baby may be having an interest in a singing. The baby might be having an interest in a dancing. All the initiative things will be developed. Okay, and the same thing, when there will be no encourage from the caregiver, and that will lead to a guilt thing. Okay, the baby will feel a guilt, and it will feel disappointed at that age. If it is the same thing for every stage, if you doesn't give a proper care to the child, then these are the characteristics which we are seeing: the trust versus mistrust, autonomy, all those things. This will continue throughout the lifetime. Okay, until the end of the age, it will continue. Understood? The initiative versus guilt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is the late childhood. Late childhood is nothing but school going children. Okay, that is starts when the baby will start going to a school. At what age?
At 6.
At 5 years or from 6 years. Okay, from 5 to 6 years, that is known as school going children. There, what the things will be, what personality will be developed? Industry versus inferiority, or learning versus inferiority. Inferiority matlab, what do you mean by inferiority? You say no, you have inferior complex, superior complex, inferior complex. What it means? What do you mean by that? Don't know?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Inferior complex means you will feel less compared by others. Okay, you will feel like I'm nothing in this world. I may be very weak compared to others. Superior means you will feel yes, I'm elder, I'm superior, I know everything than others. That is a superior complex. Whereas inferior means you will feel low by yourself. Okay, ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, ये मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. Everything you will feel in a negative way. Inferiorly, by yourself you will feel that. Superior, you will feel that you are very high, you are everything, like that you will feel. No, that is the superior one. And the inferior one is you will feel low about yourself. Okay, and here in this age, in school going children, that complex will be developed. Okay, where this time the more attention will be there, and the child will be acquiring more skills, because it will be going to a school, and more knowledge it will be developed, right? No, this is the period where the more knowledge will be acquired. At that time, if the baby is not given a proper attention, okay, so then a second paragraph it is written same thing. If it is not given proper attention, if the baby attempts failure, suppose if a baby does at the age of 5 to 6 years, what baby will be learning? The alphabetic things, right? At that age, if the baby doesn't learn alphabets or anything, the mother starts beating, right? Scolding. At that age, if the baby develops this inferior complex, that will continue throughout the life. Okay, and that will be the personality of a person. So you should not misguide that. Okay, you should encourage the child, but not to develop the inferior complex. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is the adolescent stage, the age which you people are. Yes, no, you're adult or
Adult.
Adult, ma'am.
Adolescent.
the adult age which extends from 12 to 20 years. Okay. And what will be the characteristics developed by the first adult children? Identity or an identity diffusion. This is the character will be developed in a adolescence. Identity versus identity diffusion. Yes, no, in adulthood, everyone wants identity. कुछ भी करके identity बनाना है. Yes, no, you will all will be in a mood that you should make an identity. Yes,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Everyone
Ma'am.
at
Yes,
this
ma'am.
age, you will be feeling like you should make your identity. You should be identified by the others people. Everyone has to identify you. Yes, no? That may be in a good way or in a bad way. At least identity banna hai sabke samne, right? So that is the age of adolescence. And that will be the changing of a puberty. Yes, the child will be entered into the puberty stage. What do you mean by puberty? Puberty means? What do you mean by puberty? You have not studied in anatomy? The maturations, yes, the maturations of your organs, maturations of your brain. That is nothing but puberty, right? And whereas if these are the changes, there will be so many changes takes place in a puberty, right? In a girl, the menstruation starts, and whereas in a boys, during the puberty they will develop changes of a voice. Yes, no, all the puberty changes will take place in a children's, and in that time there will be a number of changes takes place in a growth also and in your emotions also, like there will be a sexual development, social, emotional, all those things will be there. Changes will take place during the puberty age. Is that clear? For this adolescence age, we also call it as period of storm and stress, because that will be the stage where the child will having the more stress. Why more stress? To make identity. Okay. Anyhow, we have to make identity. We should make a name. We should make a fame. Because of that only, the storm and stress we will call that age as. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the adolescence, and obviously the adolescence will be more close with whom? The peer groups, the school groups, or whatever the same age groups, we call it as peer groups. Okay. By this, the identity, if they doesn't get the identity, suppose some people will be back of making identity, making a name. If that doesn't happen, if something happens, if they get the discouraged from a family or in a peer groups or something, if someone is said something about them, then the identity diffusion starts place. Like you will think that making identity will not be worth, maybe I am worthless. All those characters will develop once you lose your identity forming. Is that clear? Next is the early adulthood. Early adulthood at the age of 20 to 30. What will happen? At that time, the school going, adult, making identity, everything has been done. Next, at that age, what will be there? Only thing is you will be in a job, right? You will be holding a job, you will be having a tension of family and the children, all those things. At that age, what the personality, what the characters will develop? Intimacy versus isolation. Okay, that is the character which will be developed in the early adulthood. Intimacy means, what do you mean by intimacy? What do you mean by intimacy? Intimate means closeness. Okay, intimacy is nothing but closeness. Yes, no, at that age you will have an intimacy with the family, with the wife, or with the husband, with the children, all those, with the mother, parents, all those things, the intimacy will develop. If anything happens in that, if any problem with the love and affection, if a family doesn't support the individual, then what happens? Again the negativity starts. That is isolation. What do you mean by isolation?
Isolation means, ma'am, separate from.
Separate from, yes, your mind will start, you will think, no, I should go away from that. Yes, you have observed all those character, right? At 20 to 30 years of age, the person, if you talk to a person, he will tell, no, I don't get much affection from my family, from my parents, so I think that I should leave the home and I should go and stay somewhere else. Yes, no, this is the words which comes from the age of 20 to 30, right? So that is the thing, that is the character developed during the early adulthood at the age of 20 to 30. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Next is the mature adulthood, that is after 30 to 65. Everything, the marriage is over, job is done, everything is over at the age of 30 to 65. What the character which might be? You have seen your grandparents, how their character will be.
Family response.
Family responses will be there. And here the characteristics which will develop is generative versus stagnation. Okay. Whereas in that age, what the people will think, they will care for the children. At that age, what will be the other things? Only caring for a children, caring for a grandchildren, and you will have a spiritual belief, more spiritual belief. Yes, no? You will start teaching, you are giving guidance. All those things will start. You have seen the old age people, only guidance, only the teachings will be there with them. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the generative. And if that will be withdrawn, if that will be hampered, if someone hampered that, if the selfishness starts, then they will start developing the stagnation. Stagnation means withdrawing from something. Okay, that will be starting from the will be started in a mature adulthood. Okay, by reading this you can understand. If you don't understand, then let me know in the next class. Okay, only the things which you can understand I'm explaining you. Understanding, just remember the stages. Okay, the developmental stages you remember, and what are the characteristics, main characters, what will be the in those stages, then you can write by yourself. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And next is the last, old age. What do you mean by old age?
Ma'am, about ma'am 60 or 65 years.
उनका मेंटालिटी क्या रहता है at that age? How the 65, whether you have seen a 60, you have seen your old grandparents 65 years के ऊपर जो होते हैं, can they be very thoughtful or anything? Already they have seen the life, they will be very much dissatisfaction in their life, right? Have you seen?
Yes.
Only few will be there who will be very much satisfied and who can give you the proper guidelines. But other than that, the character will be integrity versus despair. Despair means loss of hope. They will not be having any hope. Yes, at 65 years, can they say, yes, I want to leave? They will be losing hope on everything. So that is the feelings which comes in this thing at old age. Yes, at old age, they will have the responsibility of their grandchildren, and they will have more seeking of love from their family. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
They will be always in a seeking of love, affection from their family. If that doesn't come, then they will start getting the dissatisfaction, despair. The despairs will be start in a old age. They will start getting hoping, losing a hope. No, these people will not take care of me. These all are the hope will come from the in the age of 65. Okay, and this will continue till the death. Yes, because at that age, whether the person can work, no, there will be a decrease in the income. And what about the health condition? That will also will be impaired, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because of that, they will develop the despair one. Is that clear? The stages?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's this they ask for 10 marks or for 5 marks. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the things? What are the following stages we have seen? We have seen the meaning of that. Okay.
Infants.
Then the
Infant
stages
stage.
are
One
in
to
infant
18
stage, what
months.
happened? 18
Middle
months, and the
child.
character will be trust versus mistrust.
Mistrust. Early
Okay.
stage.
In early stage, from
18
18
months
months
to
to
3
3
years.
years.
3 years.
And what we also call this early childhood? Other name for early childhood, I said
Toddlers.
toddlerhood. Okay. And here will be the character develop.
Autonomy and doubt.
Autonomy versus doubt it will be, or
Doubt.
shame.
Shame.
Okay. Next, in a middle childhood.
Middle stage. 3 to 5 years.
Then
Late 80
childhood.
versus
guilt.
guilt.
The initiative versus guilt will be,
Guilt.
and that is also
Late
called
stage.
as middle childhood is also called as preschooler. And in a late childhood, it's from 5 to
5
12
to
years.
12
5 to
years.
6 years.
And the character which will be developed here is industry versus inferiority, or
Inferior.
the industries
Industry versus
also known
inferiority.
as learning. Then as the adolescent,
Early.
Adolescent.
20 to 30
to
years.
that what will be the identity versus
Identity.
identification.
In intimate relationship.
Then in the early childhood,
Middle.
20 to 30
20 to 30 years.
20 to 30 years.
here in early adulthood, there will be intimacy versus isolation.
Isolation.
Mature adult.
The early mature adults, it's from 30 to 65 years, where the character will be the generative and the stagnant.
Generativity and
Generative
stagnation.
old age.
Then the
Old
last
age.
is the old age.
The guidelines, ma'am. Guidelines.
Limited and
Till
integrity.
the death.
Guidelines.
Here there will be the integrity versus
Limited.
Despair.
understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Till now. Tomorrow we'll see the developments of an vulnerable people. What do you mean by vulnerable people? Whom we call it as a vulnerable people? Vulnerable matlab?
Don't know, ma'am.
Who are very sensitive. Vulnerable, but the vulnerable is nothing but the sensitive people who are more sensitive about the developments. What are the problems they face? We'll see. Who are vulnerable? The small childrens, right? The sick people. Yes, no. They will be not be able to move or do something. The vulnerable is the nothing but the people who is not able to do anything by themselves. जो अपने आप से नहीं कर सकता है, we call them as vulnerable. And sick women, the women and the physically challenged people, the old age people, yes, they are not the vulnerable people. We'll see the developmental psychology and what are the things takes place, what are the changes takes place, the developmental psychological developments takes place. We'll see in our next class. Is that clear?